Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Helping Mind. Samsung Galaxy phone has a feature of cursor. If we enable the cursor, we will see the effect of cursor. Now I will show you how to enable cursor or mouse cursor or Samsung Galaxy A20, A30, A40, A50 and A70. Keep watching. To enable cursor, at first we have to go to our phone settings. I will tap on gear icon settings. Here I will scroll down to find out about phone. I will tap on about phone and here I will tap on software information, and here I have to tap on build number 3 to 4 times to enable developer options. Here I have to put 4-digit phone, then tap on done, and we can see developer mode has been enabled. Now I will go back to go to the developer options. Here I will tap on developer options, and here I have to find out input. To find out, I have to scroll down. I will scroll down to find out input, and here we can see show tab, show visual feedback. For tabs, I have to tap on the show tabs toggle. Now I will go to my phone screen to see the cursor effects, and here we can see the cursor is successfully enabled, and we can use these cursor effects on our every sections of this screen. If you want to disable this cursor effects, again we have to go to our phone settings. I will go back to my phone settings and tap on developer options, and here I have to go to my input options to disable cursor effects. So viewers, in this way we can enable or disable cursor effects on our Samsung Galaxy A20, A30, A40, A50 and A70. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and share the video with your friends who want to know how to enable cursor or mouse cursor on Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Thanks for watching and see you later. Thank you.